Hello everyone, I am working on this Dell Latitude E6520. This is not the section I'm working on, but I figured, well, I have it, I'm going to replace the thermal paste. You're going to have to take out all these screws. This is for the hard drive, these four down here. But you gotta take out all these screws to take off this back. To take out the battery, you flip these switches, pull up at an angle. I'll show you a demonstration. Sorry if the video ain't that great. This is first time me recording on my cell phone. So it will come out just like that, and you pull it up at an angle, and that's how you'll put it back in too. After I took the initiative and took the screws out. Thermal paste is under all this that we're going to replace. Like, they did not ask me to replace it. I'm going to go ahead and do it because this laptop is pretty old. And I don't know when it was replaced. I just got paperwork of when they bought it. But I don't know if they actually replaced it. I'm going to be nice and replace it with some actual expensive thermal paste. You're going to disconnect this fan. You might have to grab some pliers or something and unplug it, and be careful unplugging it. I got a screwdriver. There's my screwdriver. Okay, you're going to take out all these screws, and these numbers is how they actually go back in. And they may not come out, some of them don't, but these come out. I am going to cut it here, and I'll come back once the screws are out. All the areas are purified. Now we're ready for thermal paste. Let me set you guys down so I can open this tube. Okay. Let's start with the big one. Now this one is going to take a lot less. Like, that's probably even too much for that. Okay. We're not dripping anymore on my thing. The fan looks really clean, so I don't have to worry about cleaning any of this. So let's just put this stuff back. Now you kind of have to go at an angle. There. Trying to make sure you get that section first before you start moving on to the GPU, CPU, and all that. But make sure the holes do line up. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put all these screws back where they go. So you guys might have a screw here that you'll have to take out. I actually don't. I thought I was missing a screw. I'm going to mark that off to let the person know there is no missing screw here. Now, you do these in order. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. Okay. I'm not tightening this down, I'm just putting it down until I feel some force. And I'm barely even screwing. Okay. And I'll go through and make sure these are all tightened. Now the tightening phase. Okay, that's all I'm going to do in here because it actually looks clean. I don't know what is about this type of laptop. Every video and stuff I've seen about this laptop hardly ever gets dirty. I don't know, it's just because people cleaned it before they showed them supposedly cleaning it on their video. But yeah, it looks perfectly healthy. Now I will actually, no, I'll show you how this stuff goes back together. I'm not going to turn it on because I'm going to take this sticker out after the video is over with. But you can actually put the battery on ahead of time if you want. I think it's easier to do with the. There it goes. Yeah, you just kind of have to get it at that certain angle. And I'm not going to put all the screws back on the cover until I know we're done with this. But I will show you. There we go. Lock the battery in place. I'm only putting 4 screws in. Right there. And I might see if they want any upgrades while I'm actually doing this. If not, that's no big deal. Now this will be a short screw because this is the hard drive. These 4 right here are short screws. And when I say short screws, this is what I'm talking about. Where the ones up here are actually long screws, and here's what they look like. Here's a size comparison. It's not the best, but one's big and fat, small and fat, and one's long and skinny. Actually, I'll just do 3. Usually I put 1 right here, but we'll just skip it. But that's how you replace the thermal paste.